Hi all. What I would like you to do today is in two sections. So you're going to be looking at line and tone, which are two of the 7 or 8 or 9 elements of art, formal elements of art. So in art, we have 7 general formal elements. They are line, tone, form, texture, pattern, colour, and shape. And some people like to include space and also concept in those elements as well. But for today, you're just going to be looking at line and tone. So what I would like you to do is to use the links that I provided to take yourself to the BBC Bitesize website and have a look at the elements of art. And first of all, take a look at line. Then I would like you to familiarize yourselves with definition of line. And if you look on this website, you'll see that you can click through these numbers along here, scroll through, and it will tell you about line and about the different ways in which line is used in art. So contour lines, descriptive lines. Just have a little scroll through and you'll be able to see how line is used in art, expressive lines, that sort of thing. So have a little scroll through, familiarize yourself with the idea of line. And then what I would like you to do is a page of blind contour line drawings. And to just show you what I mean, some of last year's books. This is, I think this is Izzy Allen's, yeah. And you see that? She created some blind contour line drawings of shells. Basically, for a blind contour line drawing, what you need to do is you need to choose something to draw and you need to focus on looking at that object and not looking at your page. So using your pencil and not moving your eyes from the object, so only looking at the object. And you'll come up with sort of some squiggly representations of what you're drawing, but it's really good for hand-eye coordination and it's really good to get you looking at that object. So I've also included a link to a YouTube clip of a lady doing blind contour drawings. There's lots of YouTube clips of that sort of thing. So if you want to look at a few of those, then go for it. And then have a go at your own blind contour line drawings. Send them in to me so I can have a look. The next thing I want you to do is to look at tone, because this is a 2-hour session, remember? So for the first hour, look at line, and for the second hour, look at tone. So then what you do in your second part of the session is you go to the elements of art in the BBC Bitesize website. You go to the tone one. You can have a little look at these. They've got videos on as well, so just have a little browse. But if you go to revise, then it will tell you a bit about tone. It will give you a definition of tone in art. And same again, scroll through and see the different ways that tone is used in art. For the task for tone, what I would like you to do is to draw a circle and then shade it in with your pencil to make it look like a sphere, because we use tone in art, which is different variations of light and dark, to show the 3D form of an object. So I will post this in a link for you. So you can either print that out or you can just use your page. Don't worry about all this scumph. Just draw yourself a circle and create a sphere by using tone to highlight light and dark areas and create that into a 3D object. Okay, I'll write that down for you, but I just wanted to say hi and record a little something for you so that you can understand a little bit better, hopefully. Okay, hopefully I haven't waffled on too much. Email me or message me if you've got any questions at all. Tone, line, get going, have fun, and I'll speak to you soon.